Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a question a lot of you have been asking. Can you use PayPal in China? Let's break it down. First off, the good news. Both Chinese citizens and non-Chinese citizens, like foreigners living or traveling in China, can sign up for a PayPal individual account. That's right. You can use PayPal to make purchases from overseas and even receive and send payments throughout the world. So, how does it work? Well, once you create a PayPal account, you can link it to your Chinese bank account or credit card. This allows you to transfer money to and from your PayPal account seamlessly. You can also use your PayPal balance to shop online at international stores that accept PayPal. Pretty cool, right? But there's a catch. PayPal is not widely accepted for domestic transactions within China. For everyday payments in China, most people rely on Alipay or WeChat Pay. These platforms are more integrated into the local economy and are commonly used for everything from groceries to utility bills. However, if you're making international purchases, especially from websites outside of China, PayPal can be incredibly useful. Plus, it offers buyer protection, which means you can shop with peace of mind, knowing that your transactions are secure. If you're a foreigner in China, having a PayPal account can make life a lot easier, especially when dealing with financial transactions back home or buying from international websites. All you need is a valid email address and a linked bank account or credit card to get started. So there you have it. While PayPal isn't the go-to for domestic transactions, it's definitely a handy tool for international payments. Whether you're a Chinese citizen or a foreigner in China, PayPal can open up a world of possibilities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. See you next time.